Hey guys, okay, so we're back at the house, and this is crazy because I rarely film haul videos the same day as when I go out thrifting, but I'm super excited to share with you guys what I ended up getting, and this new store was amazing. I'm gonna have to like work this in to my like store rotation because it's like a hidden gem. I feel like not a lot of people go there because I got there, there was like no one there. I think there was like maybe 4, 5 other people in the whole store other than the workers, so it was crazy. So let me show you guys what I ended up getting. Now these I'm super duper excited about because you guys know I love blue and white decor items and I'm super obsessed with them, especially recently. I just like maxed out the blue and white in the dining room, and I got a couple more pieces to add to the collection, and I had to get them because they were half off. So there's this cool like teapot looking thing. I don't know exactly what it is, but it has like a cool like scene from like Japanese type of, Japanese or Chinese, I don't know exactly, but it's really pretty. It was originally $10 and it's down to $5, and it is gorgeous. So this is the first one that I got. There was actually another piece that was really, really nice, but it wasn't on sale, so I didn't end up getting it. I don't know why. Like, I should have just gotten it, but I was like, no, I got the other two for half off, and I want this one half off too, so I'm gonna wait. So, I don't know. I'm crazy. Didn't get it, but this one is beautiful. Now, this is like a... I would use it for like an oil, like an oil, whatever those things are called, but I guess you can use this for wine. You can really use this for anything. But it's really, really, really pretty. And I love the design. It looks kind of like the stuff I got from Bombay that I thrifted. And it's really cute. It still has the cork and everything. And this guy was $7. So he was $3.50. So gorgeous. Look at that. So these are the two pieces that I got, blue and white. So pretty. They go so well together too. So I'm completely obsessed. I'm so happy that I found those. And then I did end up getting a shirt. Now this is pretty cool because this is a rag and bone shirt, and it's kind of like in a like heathered red color. Really, really nice. Super duper excited about this. And this guy was, I believe it was like the shirts were $1.99 or $2.99. I honestly don't remember. But really, really cute. There's that. Then I ended up getting this Betsy Johnson. It's a vintage Betsy Johnson bag. I just love all the details, especially from vintage Betsy Johnson. Her bags were so gorgeous. Like now that her bags are like really cute, but I haven't even seen. I don't know if she makes them in leather anymore because I feel like all the bags that I see from her now that aren't vintage are like plastic. They're like either like some sort of like definitely like a plastic or like a coated, I don't even know if like a coated canvas, but yeah, like a full leather, I don't know. But this one is beautiful. I love like the ruching on the front. When I first saw it, it looked very like kind of like Miu Miu to me. And the leather is just so beautiful. It's just like a brown leather. It has like the faux embossed snake print as well, and gold hardware. And then the interior has like that like lacy looking fabric, which is really nice. And this guy I got for $10. So this one was beautiful. I'm very excited about this bag. Then up next, these next couple bags were in the case, and this first one is a Kate Spade nylon. This one is in such fantastic condition. Honestly, I thrifted one of these in the past, and it was like a little bit like it was like a lot more worn, and this one is honestly, it looks almost like new. So this one is a gorgeous bag. I don't know, I'm gonna show it to Mom because she might end up wanting it because she's been wanting kind of like a nylon bag, and this one is really, really nice. So if it ends up in the shop, then she passed on it, but otherwise this might be going to her. And again, the shop is itsHadrian.com if you're interested in any of the items. These will probably end up in that shop as far as the handbags go. But the next item we have here is this Tory Burch crossbody. So cute. The interior, it does have a lot of wear. Like, I'm gonna see how much I can clean it up, but the exterior is in pretty good shape. There's some wear on the hardware, but the rest of the leather is in good shape. I'm just gonna do a color refresh on it, and it's gonna look fantastic. But yeah, Tory Burch bags are always great. And these are like her older styles, and her leathers that she used with these bags are so nice. Like, the pebbling is beautiful, and just like the feel of the leather is amazing. So like really great quality leather. And her leathers are usually like really nice anyway. So, but like older bags, I feel like the leathers were always like really nice. And then up next, this one was a beauty. And at first I was like, wait, and then I was like, oh my gosh, this is a Rebecca Minkoff. So this one was probably, these other two bags were, I forgot to show you guys the price. This case, their Tory Burch was $25, and then, yeah, the case Spade was $30, and then this one was $40. This is the Rebecca Minkoff. The print is so cute. It kind of reminds me, it's like reminiscent of when Givenchy kind of did that floral print with like the black background. It's so pretty. And this one is another one that's in fantastic condition. There's a little bit of lightening around the top, but honestly it's like not even that bad. And there's this front zipper pocket, and then the interior is just like in the black and white. And then the straps are really cool because they're like black. And again, these do double up and it can become a shoulder bag. So this is just a really cute bag. I love the print. It's so like, this print is like, I feel like I've never seen it, and I love it. I love when like Rebecca Minkoff does like these special edition bags. Like, I know people that collect these, so these are really nice, and I'm super excited to have this for you guys up in the shop. And that pretty much rounds out today's video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you guys had fun. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. That always helps immensely. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button for notifications. Check out today's vlog. It goes up at 2, and I'll see you guys all bright and early tomorrow at 7 for a new thrifting video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys then. Bye! Put up a bunch of photos on there that I took also, and it was just a lot of fun. So, but I am home now, and I'm going to send them a bunch of photos that I took from like digital camera. Like, I don't know why I'm bringing that. But I'm going to send them photos right now, and it's just so much fun. And my mom, well, my cousin, she's my mom's daughter, she's my cousin, and she has 2 kids. They actually are living here now, like they just moved here. So they should be visiting very soon. They were there today, but they're like busy and all that stuff. So that's what we have been able to see them until now. They're actually here. So that was like kind of like for us, like not for us moment, but like kind of like a pleasure surprise, because none of our like family like that. My mom has a sister, but she lives at in Sacramento, and then my dad lives in and that's it. Like, all of our other family lives in Philippines or Australia, Japan, and then my dad does have cousins, but they're like not like his siblings. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. But they still live all the way from San Diego, so they actually live in LA. So that's actually pretty nice. So I'm very